Hey folks, wanted to jump in here for a couple of minutes and discuss a question that has been asked of us quite a bit over the last year or so. And that is, what happened to PerSys Medical? What happened to that great company that used to make the best Israeli bandages out of the market? And what happened was they were acquired by Safeguard Medical. If you're not familiar, Safeguard Medical is a very, very large company that has acquired several popular brands in the tactical medical space over the last 4 or 5 years, starting with Combat Medical Systems, Water Gel, H&H Medical, Trauma FX, Symbodies from the UK, and also Prometheus Medical from the UK. And now, recently, as of 2021, they acquired PerSys Medical. So essentially, all of the personnel that were working for PerSys Medical are now part of the Safeguard umbrella. The bandages are still being made, and they're still being made with the same technology by the same people in the same factories. What confuses some folks is that they're now starting to see the bandages come in new packaging. So if you're familiar with the PerSys brand, you have seen these bandages on the market for many, many years, right? This is your standard 4-inch emergency trauma dressing, and this was your 6-inch emergency trauma dressing from PerSys Medical, right? They also made the white line of first care bandages more for the civilian and EMS crowd. What you're starting to see now is the new gray packaging from Safeguard Medical. Same exact product on the inside, same exact quality, right? Same product number, FCP2, FCP3, etc., etc. But you're now seeing it in the new Safeguard branding. So what Safeguard is doing is they've taken a lot of the products from the brands that they have acquired, and they have created this color coding system. It's called the Rampart color coding system. That I'll do a video on that at a later time. But these products, such as Celox and some of the chest seals and some of the older H&H products, are now repackaged in easy to identify colored packaging. So the point is, don't freak out, don't get scared. You're not getting fake bandages. It's the same great stuff from the same brands that you've been purchasing from for years. Now it's just in a slightly different packaging. So if you want more information on these bandages, go ahead and visit our website, tactical-medicine.com, and you'll be able to see these and hundreds of other great tactical medical and first aid products. All right. Have a great night.